So guys, lahat to para sa baby girl ko. Inaayos ko siya ngayon. Ang dami niyang damit. Oh my God. Ito lahat para sa newborn. Tapos, ito yung mga medyo 3 months to 9 months. 3 months. So, inaalis ko siya sa hanger. Ito, mga 0 to 3 months. Inaayos ko siya. Kakaalis ko lang siya sa hanger. Ayan. So, ito pa. Ang dami. Ito malilinis na din to. So, this is 0 to 3 months. She got so many clothes. Holy moly. I didn't even realize. And this is all her stuff. There's more clothes there that I need to grab. And she got diapers and play toy. And ito yung mga diapers. May bed din dyan. May bouncer. And meron siyang recliner for running. And meron na rin akong diaper bag. Tapos meron na din what do you call this? Car seat and this one. That one is like $200. It's so expensive. I bought that. And oh my gosh, she got so many clothes. All of these are blanket. And there's more here that I'm putting all together. Oh, this one is here. So, ayan. Yun lang. So, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. And there's more actually hiding there.